Hey all you sexy YouTubers, this is a 2-week update on the ceramic coating that I applied to my Jaguar XF a couple of weeks ago, and I've driven the car in the rain on 2 occasions and it's gotten pretty dirty. So I want to show you guys how dirty the car is. I'm going to show you how it repels water, the product repels water, and I need to clarify something that I actually didn't point out in my previous video. It was a big mistake. A lot of you almost had a fit when you saw me wash my car and apply the ceramic coating to my paint. Now, I should have pointed out that my car's paint actually had been prepped already for the ceramic coating. You can't apply this stuff if you have wax or any contaminants on your paint. You must make sure you take everything off. So you must strip the wax off your paint. And the way to do that is to use a light compound, a polishing compound, and polish your car with preferably an orbital polisher. That will actually remove all the wax from the paint, and if your car stands in the sun a lot and it stands outside quite a lot, I'd also recommend clay barring your car. My car's garage most of the time. I only use it only goes outside when it's being driven. The rest of the time it stands inside the garage. So it wasn't necessary for me to clay bar my car. I clay barred my car a few years ago, and those of you who have watched my videos know that I take pretty good care of my car's paint. Now the ceramic coating that I used was Armor Shield IX. I don't know what it means, but anyway, Armor Shield IX, and it comes in a little 30ml bottle, and there's your applicator there, and you've got applicator swabs underneath. And you don't have to buy this, but I'm pretty sure there are many good ceramic coatings out there, but this one is a nano coating as well, which goes into all those little grooves and crevices where you might have, tiny scratches that couldn't be corrected with polishing. So I'm going to show you what the car looks like first of all in its dirty state. I'm going to show you the process, during the process of washing the car, how the water beads off it once I've gotten all the dirt off. And then I'm going to show you the car when it's dried, once it's dried off. And you can see if the product is still working. As you can see, my car is pretty dirty. We'll take a little closer look there. And this is from driving in the rain. Check it out, guys. It is really dirty. So there you can see there's a lot of dirt all over the side of the car. My cat's bumping me here while I'm trying to film. Say hi to Marmite. This is Marmite. You can see the water just gets repelled. Doesn't stay on the car. And show you guys how it repels the water there, even on the rear glass. It just beads right off. I just want to show you guys how easy it is to dry the hood off. You just sweep the water right off. Now I don't normally use a squeegee to dry my car off because I feel that they do scratch the clear coat of your car, and I just don't like anything that uses friction to get water off the car's paint, and that's why I just use chamois. I'm done washing the car, and I've got my polarizer on here so I can show you guys how the paint is shining. And I mean, the hood looks absolutely beautiful. My car looks like a brand new car. I mean, even my front bumper is still looking pretty good, even though I've got a few more stone chips to add to it after my little trip the other day in the rain. And but the point of this product is it's not there to protect your car from stone chips or additional scratches. It's there to just seal your paint and keep it looking good as though you have waxed your car. The purpose of this stuff is not to stop your car or protect it from getting chips or scratches on it. And I think some of you who have made negative comments about this stuff don't understand the real purpose of this product. And actually, the way I feel is it's not really about going through all the time and effort of applying this stuff, but it's also about how it makes you feel about your car. And if this stuff makes you feel good about your car, then I can highly recommend doing it. And I'm not recommending this particular product, but all I can say is the results have been splendid for me. I'm very happy with the results I got from this stuff. I mean, the paint looks absolutely beautiful, and now I can actually see my car in a new light because I can kind of imagine what it looked like when it was on the showroom floor. So thank you for watching. If you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more. Here's some beauty shots of the car in the sun.